Hello, dear students. Welcome. I am Mr. M. Kutwal, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Merasgaon. Today we discuss our course Agro 234 Crop Production Technology first, that Kharif crops. In among the different oilseed crops, groundnut, sesame, soybean, and Niger. These are four different important oilseed crops. In that, today we discuss major oilseed crops: groundnut, Arachis hypogaea, soybean, glycine mac, Sesamum indicum, and Niger, Guezotia avicennia. These are the different four oilseed crops. Today we discuss first oilseed crop is groundnut. Botanically, groundnut called as Arachis hypogaea, family Leguminosae, and its origin place is South America, Brazil. National Research Center for Groundnut is located at Junagadh, Gujarat. Sorghum groundnut, it is the self pollinated crop, or groundnut also called as king of vegetable oil seed. Area and distribution: groundnut growing countries are India, China, Nigeria, Sudan, and USA. In that, Brazil also. Area of production is 24.7 million hectare with a production of 33 million tons. In India, production important groundnut growing state in that Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra. All among the states, the area totally 6.9 million hectare and production is 3.5 million tons of groundnut. Economic importance of groundnut. Groundnut, it is the popular oilseed crop. It is a rich source of oil content near about 48 to 52% and 26% of the protein content. It is rich in protein and oilseed also. It is mainly eaten in the form of raw pods and roasted pods. Groundnut oil cakes are used for the cattle feed. Oil cake used as a manure also. Oil cake contains near about 6% nitrogen, 2% phosphorus, and 0.1 to 2% potash. Climatic soil and climatic requirement of groundnut: sandy to sandy loam soil best for the groundnut crop. pH range required 5.5 to 6.5 pH should be well, and near about slightly alkaline pH also, near about up to the 8, it can be favorable for the groundnut crop also. Then climatic requirement: warm tropical climate, it is the most favorable for the groundnut crop. It requires optimum temperature 21 to 26 degree Celsius and optimum rainfall or rainfall requirement is well distributed of 50 centimeter during the crop growing season, and rainfall will be more preferably. Groundnut is required long and warm growing season, so it can be well favorable growth and its development. Then we discuss the preparatory tillage, pre-tillage. In that, groundnut required tilled and well drained seedbed, one summer plowing, 15 to 18 centimeter deep plowing, and 2 to 3 crosswise harrowing should be well imported. Then add 10 to 15 tons FIM at the rate at last harrowing. Stubble collection and of previous crops and weeds. This is the necessary for the pest and disease control from the previous residues. Seeds and sowing. Seed treatment. Groundnut seeds treated with seeds with carbendazim or bavustin and also thyrum at the rate 3 gram per kg seeds. Rhizobium culture at the rate 250 gram per 100 per 10 kg of seed. This is the standard format or standard recommended dose of the recommended biofertilizers for the groundnut. It is a rhizobium culture. Then seed rate, spacing and duration. Three different classification or categorization of the groundnut, in that erect, semi-erect and spreading type of the groundnut. In that erect type of the groundnut, its spacing should seed rate required 90 to 100 kg seed per hectare, and its optimum spacing is 30 centimeter into 10 centimeter, and its crop duration is near about 100 days. Then semi spreading 80 to 90 kg per hectare seed should be required, less than the erect type of the groundnut, and optimum spacing is 45 centimeter into 10 centimeter, and duration is 120 days. As compared to erect varieties, is 20 days more days required for its maturity. Then third, the spreading type or spreading groundnut, in that less number of seed, 70 to 80 kg seed should be required per hectare, and 45 centimeter into 15 centimeter spacing should be optimum, and its crop duration for the maturity period is 140 days should be required for its maturation. Then sowing methods. Drilling and dibbling are generally two important methods useful for the groundnut crop sowing. Then sowing time and season. Sowing time and season. Generally groundnut crops sow Kharif season last week of June to first week of July. Intercultivation operation and aftercare, in that one or two hand weeding and one hoeing should be necessary for the weed control. And manures and fertilizers 10 to 15 cardload FIM applied at the time of land preparation, and then at the time of the sowing 40 kg of nitrogen, 60 kg of phosphorus and 40 kg potash should be applied at the time of the sowing. Then irrigation and water management. Being the rainy season crops, groundnut does not require irrigation, but however if dry spell occur, irrigation may be necessary. One irrigation should be given at the pod development stage. Some of the weed control management. Different selective type of the herbicides can be applied for the control weed management is flucloxylin or basalin at the rate 1 kg per hectare in 800 to 1000 liter of water as pre-planting spraying. So control the weed earlier stage, the crop weed competition period. So this is the very important part. Then we discuss about the harvesting and yield. It is the necessary to be big dig at the right time for the obtaining high yield of the pods and oil. Nuts take 2 months to attain full development. The stage is achieved when veins being turned yellow and leaves starting shading. This is the maturity signs for the groundnut crop. Harvested should be done when good percentage of nuts is fully developed and fair. The harvesting of spreading type of groundnut is done by the spade and local plow or with the help of the blade harrow or groundnut digger. These are the some implements are utilized for the spreading type of the groundnut harvesting. Then yield. The bunchy type of the varieties give 15 to 20 quintal per hectare yield. Then spreading type 20 to 30 quintal per hectare yield obtained from that. The some of the important varieties: erect type of the variety BS11, JL24, IC, GS2, JL220, the Karad 411, Faizpur, Kopergon 1. These are the some selective type of varieties are useful for the groundnut sowing. Some of the quality consideration of groundnut crop, in that value, weight of pods, shelling percentage, 100 kernel weight and oil content. These are the some four quality consideration. So this is useful for the quality to observe the quality of groundnut. Oil content of this groundnut crop is near about 48 to 52%. Thank you.